Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Everlyn AI token on Binance Alpha. So Everlyn or Lyn token just get listed on Binance Alpha. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. But you have to understand this is not financial advice. So you have to do your own research. Alright, let's get started. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search LYN for Lyn, and you will find Lyn on Alpha here. You can just click it, and this is the chart. It's religious get list. So yeah, this is the chart. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. So there are the volume. It's good in the first 2 hours, almost 3 million, and there are 1 billion supply. And you can also check their website and their social media, and also you can check the square. You can see what people thinking about Lyn. And if you are interested, you can click right here in the bottom to buy it. You can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you, and also the amount here, it's up to you. Also you can choose instant buy here. You can swap your USDT or other token to Lyn. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.